Hello and thanks for joining me today. I've got several packs of seed here. Some of them we've collected through the years and others I bought this year at the dollar store for $1. I've got dark green zucchini squash, cilantro, oregano, ideal for containers, beefsteak tomato, then I have a serrano chili pepper, which I don't know if I'm going to plant or not. We'll see. Some sweet basil, because my daughter said she's been wanting to grow some sweet basil, and eggplant, which I've always enjoyed growing. So I'm going to plant these and we will see how they grow. It's kind of late. Today is the first day of spring, so happy spring to everyone. And let me get these planted up. We'll see what they end up doing. I have some of the poorest soil I think I've ever seen. It's potting soil. So I mixed a little bit of this granular plant food with it, and I've mixed it with some water. And so now I've just kind of let it sit, and that's what I'm going to use for my potting soil. But see, it has stuff like these sticks in it, so we'll take a look and see what we got. So hot here, it's 80 degrees here today. I had to set up a beach umbrella. The sun's so bad, so I'm going to put my dirt in my seed starter containers here. I don't know which seeds I'm going to put in here first. So I've got my dirt ready, so I think what I'll do is, and I'll probably use that other one too, but I'll do squash and eggplant kind of together. Then I'll do oregano and sweet basil. This is what they look like. That's the eggplant. Just taking a marker. It says about a ½ inch. We could use some more dirt. Those may be too deep. Let's see. I'm just going to drop a couple in each one of them. So I'll do 5 of the eggplant and 5 of the zucchini. So I've got that many left over. These seeds were Dollar Tree seeds, so let me just plant them all. I'm going to plant them in the same cup though. That might be trouble, but we'll see. So this one's eggplant. This one's eggplant, 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 and eggplant. Okay. So we'll do the squash. Squash seeds look a little bit bigger. I'll do 2. That one can get 3. And that one can get 3. Just cover them up, tap them down. Squash. I'm just putting S's on these. And of course we'll do the thing. So here is the eggplant, and then here is the squash. And the eggplants or this way. And the squash or this way. Alright, we'll see how long that lasts. And now we'll go for the oregano and the sweet basil, and I'm going to do exactly the way I did the other ones. Okay. So let's do the oregano on this side. Ooh, they're little bitty seeds. Little bitty seeds. Is that all I get? Minuscule. And you even see them. Look at them. Make sure it's in focus because you won't be able to see it if you don't. If it's not. But yeah, so there you go. Alright, how am I going to get these planted? Alright. I may just have to pour them in one hole and let it go. You know what? I'm not going to have enough to do 5. I'll just do those 3. Where did my tomato pack go? There it is. Okay, so let's do, we'll have to do the tomato. So I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do the sweet basil here and here. Let's see how they look. They're a little bit bigger, but not much. We'll do this. You remember when Johnny Carson used to do this on the envelopes? To get them to blow out, and then he'd pull the letter out. Just to make sure all the seeds are out. So now I'm going to do the tomato. Let's see what it looks like. I believe that's it. Oh, there's the tomato seeds before I put them in there. So there we go. I'm happy with that. If they come up, I'll have something to plant, and if they don't, I'll do something else. So here I have my planted seeds. I have my eggplant, my green zucchini squash, sweet basil, oregano, and tomato. And I appreciate you watching this video. Right now we're in the middle of quarantine, even though it is the first day of spring. I thank you for joining me. I thought you might enjoy a little outing. So I hope to see you around next time. Thanks for watching.